Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Angela. So today's video is going to be a hair tutorial. I'm gonna create very pretty mermaid wave hairstyle. It's super quick and easy. Anyone can do it with just a flat iron. So let's get started. First, I'm gonna use this SLB's flat iron. It's 전기 머리 인두? You know, in English it's just electric hair iron, but in Korean it sounds like an equipment for torturing people. So scary. But I'm just gonna use it only for my hair, so don't worry about it. So first, let's divide the section of your hair. I just divide to two, tied up this part. So as I said, it's super easy and simple. First, I'm just gonna put that in as close as I can to my head and turn one way and the other way, twist out, twist in and out. As you can see, I created very beautiful mermaid wave over here. I'm just gonna push it to the side, and one more time. I will start by twisting out, twisting in, twisting out again, twist back in. Just leave them cool down. Do not brush it until it cools down. Just wait. And just do that to every section of your hair. So simple and easy. You just need to snap your wrist, and that's it. Ugh, I'm starving right now. I have a dinner plan with my friends tonight. I'm gonna have Korean barbecue, samgyeopsal. But I haven't eaten anything today, because I'm on a diet to lose my weight. So as you can see, this side has very pretty natural mermaid wave. I'm gonna do the same to the other side too. Same. Turn one way, turn back in, turn outside, inside, twist. Ta-da! Super simple. You know, my mom is a very strict, typical traditional Korean mom, and plus a decent Christian. So she hates my hair because I got highlights over here and then, you know, it's blonde. She thinks it's a party animal stuff. So first day I got this hair, my mom got so mad. And then she was praying right next to me, like, "Oh Lord, please give me strength to understand this girl." I was like, what should I do? What should I do? You know? And then we had a big fight, like, a few weeks ago, because of my hair again. She wanted me to change this hair color to natural brown or black. But then, of course, I rejected. You know, it's my hair, my life, my choice. Mom, none of your business. I said that, and then she got even more mad, of course. And then we had a big... My mom's gonna watch this YouTube video. Sorry, Mom. I mean, I'm not talking behind you. I love you so much. Okay, let me just focus on my hair. Okay, so it's done so quick. I'm just gonna run my fingers through and break up some of the waves. And that's it. Hope this tutorial is useful for you guys, and if it was, don't forget to subscribe and like my videos and leave me a comment. I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!